Hello everyone. Welcome to Clarity 16.2.3 Feature Supportability Training. This is Denise Saladay, and I'll be covering the topic Action Items. This release, what's new in Action Items is you can now manage your action item proxy in Modern and set one delegate proxy. You can also view a list of resources whom you are a proxy for, just like you can in Classic today. In my demonstration, I'll show you where and how you can set a proxy for your action items in Modern, and also where you can view the list of resources whom you are a proxy for. To set an action items proxy, you will navigate to your avatar under Settings, and we added a new tab here called Proxy. No additional security rights are needed to access this tab, and it works similar to Classic today. The resource whom I'm logged in as is the proxy for two resources, Art Kingsley and Paul Burks. And the information down here in this section is for view only, so it's not editable. In Classic today, you can already see this information under your account settings in the Proxy tab. And Art Kingsley and Paul Burks are also listed here. There are three values that are required whenever you create a proxy for your action items: delegate, start, and end. And notice while your proxy is not enabled that all three of those values are read-only and you cannot edit them. So to create a proxy, you have to first enable the action items toggle. And you'll see an asterisk next to those three attributes because they're all required. If you update one of them without completing the other attributes and you navigate away, your proxy will not be saved. And if you select the same date range that you are a proxy today, you'll get an error message saying that you're already a proxy during the same date range. Notice that Paul Burks has the same date range, whom I'm a proxy for. So let's select a different date range. And now this record is saved successfully. I can only designate one delegate for my action items, and the resources to whom are in my selected list are only those ones that I have access rights to view. In Classic, under Account Settings for the same user, on the Proxy tab, notice that I have a delegate here that's also displaying the same as it was in Modern. These two screens between Modern and Classic are always kept in sync, regardless of where you make this change. I can disable my action items proxy in one of two ways. The first way, I can just toggle it off, and notice that the proxy information that I had entered earlier is still retained. My second option, if I want to clear out my proxy, I can just click on this remove button, and the remove button's only accessible whenever this toggle is on. So when you click remove, it deletes the information in your delegate start and end dates as well as disables your action item proxy. This concludes supportability for action items.